Good morning, gamers. Welcome back to another episode of Around the Shitcoin, and we're going to try and keep it brief. This episode, I'm trying to make these episodes shorter and more in depth on the data. So if you've been watching the channel for the last week, you knew this dump was coming. We had it predicted pretty dang well. I remember saying, and I'll play the clip in this video of my last video where I predicted this. I said that when we were around here that we were expecting a roughly 10% drop in Ethereum and Bitcoin, roughly to about this spider line. Oh, sorry. This is a spider line, but this weekly fib, I said that was definitely possible to happen during this dump, and we are actually below it right now, which is not looking good because we are below this level with money flow coming out with RSI in the dumps and curving down. Money flow in the red as of now on the 1 hour chart, right? So when all of this is occurring below the weekly fib, that is spelling bad news for the market. I could see another 17% more to the downside for Ethereum, possibly. We have to really see what this apex is going to bring us, and if it can regain above this weekly fib at all, which is doubtful. If anything, we should have limit order shorts underneath, maybe wait for a small correction to take, and then we'll ride the dump back down. Wow, it was a very fast, very violent dump last night, and there's not much to say about that. I'm gonna go ahead and play the clip of the prediction of when this happened. Let's go down to the 1 hour, and this is very clear to me, especially on the Bravo cipher right here, where money flow coming out, right? RSI coming out, momentum coming out. Bitcoin 1 hour, same thing. So it's all same shit, different chart. We're going to have a correction, in my opinion. How far is it going to come down? Let's look at Bitcoin. Let's look at the coin itself, right? I'm looking at this fib level. 4% correction, doable. I'm thinking since we've been on a rampage, maybe a 10% correction, you know? Maybe over the course of a few days, maybe a 10% correction. Where would that lead us? Around. Okay. I don't have many SR lines on Bitcoin as I do Ethereum, so I kind of want to see, kind of curious, around 10 to 12%. All right. So if that does play out, we could go definitely to this weekly fib, if not possibly this one. About $3,000 for an Ethereum. I can definitely see that happening. $3,000 for an Ethereum. I could definitely see that happening. I said that April 5th. It is now April 11th. So it's been 6 days since then, and the past 6 days we are currently at $3,005 for Ethereum on the low end, and we actually went below $3,000. I also say if you continue to watch this video, you can go ahead and find it on my channel. We finna dump market cipher analysis. It was 5 days ago, 6 days ago. I do mention that if we go below this weekly fib, it is not spelling good, and we're probably going to go to the next one if we cannot. If we keep dumping, which it looks like we are, right? We're going to come down another 20% all the way back down to 24.80. That is a tough, tough price to swallow right now. I was really hoping that it would just come down, bounce off, and we'd come back up, make a double top on here, and before coming back down, but it seems like we might just go straight down from here. I don't know in the totality yet. I need a little bit more data, a little bit more information. I'm going to need a couple more hours worth of candles before I can make and determine that for myself and my trades. Anyways, actually, I'm not going to end the video just yet because I want to show y'all one last thing. On the Discord, the exclusive entry and actually the public entry, Discord is in the description below, we called the dump and we actually shorted SHIB, and you can go back and look at the logs on how everything went for all these trades. As so far, obviously I'm not the best trader, but every trade I have signaled so far in the past, what is that, 8 days? They have all been winners on the public entries. So the past 8 days, all of the trades have been winners. The receipts are here. All right. So I definitely win more than I lose, and I try to share that knowledge with the community I'm trying to build. So if you want to be a part of this new community, please join the Discord below. Yesterday, I shorted SHIB. I said it was risky because there was a small pump going on, and I gave my take profits and my stop losses where I thought it was going to go, and everything hit, everything went well. As you can see, the whole market went straight down. And for SHIB, which is what we shorted, we got in near the, ooh, let me check, that's the 12 hour. Yeah, so we got in near the top of this, and we rode take profits all the way down, and I finally hit my final take profit I had at this level, which I didn't think it was going to reach, but the market just went, and it hit finally, and that closed my entire position. So if you want, or if you would like possible entries and setups on trades, or if you need help with trading, I am more than willing to give that advice on my Discord or in my exclusive Discord in the link in the description below. Have a good one, guys.